Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Fayose. You know me. I'm so excited tonight, celebrating the victory of the PDP. And my friends in the APC, all of you that has won your elections, congratulations. We wish you very happy tenure. But let me quickly say this. I'm so excited, particularly by the loss of Governor Tambuwal's candidate in Sokoto. You see, when a man is treacherous, that's a payback time. He betrayed the party. He betrayed the Ashwaju he went to meet in APC. He betrayed Wike that sponsored him in 2019. This is payback time. And I appreciate the people of Sokoto for voting against Tambuwal. And I enjoy you again, vote against him in the senatorial rerun. You see, you are wonderful. God rules. It's time to pop champagne. Tambuwal is gone.
Àjíṣebí Ọ̀yọ́ láàrí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá.